Right, good morning Omega 5 Fisher fans. What's up? Today I got my Omega 5 Fisher hat from City Lots representing It Gets Real. And it gets real. Man, nothing gets realer than this. You know, being out here in the outdoors with Mother Nature, trying to catch a halibut on a swim bait is the plan today. I'm gonna meet Ken the crab slayer out here with his son and a couple other people is out here right now. And he's already on with a 29. So he caught it on a shiner, so I'm jealous, but let's see what can happen. See what I could get on the swim bait while I put one rod out with a live shiner that he gave me. That's what's going on today. So wish me luck. As you can see outside, it's real foggy, but still beautiful out here, you know what I mean? So yeah, just right now, just enjoying myself. I'm on a natural high, enjoying a beautiful day out here. You know, trying to get that 1,000 subscribers. So if you're a fan of the channel, please, you know, comment, like, and subscribe. If you're watching this right now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep watch on what's gonna happen today. Hopefully something exciting will happen today and I catch fish. But yeah, so stay tuned and we'll get back to you, okay? All right guys, we're here. You know where we're at. So again, I'm gonna try throwing that swim bait, see what I can get. I still have to catch one on here with this swim bait, so we'll see how it goes. We got
he needs to catch enough for the
crab
rest of
slayer
the
over
day.
here, already on 20. Got that earlier on a shiner. So let's go guys, we got some rods out. Let's go. Hopefully we get some more. Scimitar. With a 4,000 battle. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Nice and fresh. Throw them in, throw them in. On ice. Put it on ice. Put it on ice. Keep it fresh. Alright guys, so kind of cold out here. I just got DoorDash some food. Yeah, so got some hot and sour soup and beef broccoli. So hell yeah. I'm happy that DoorDash delivers out here. When I got to the parking lot, they just pulled up, so right on time. Oh, so here's the bad part. No utensils. So how are we gonna do this? All right, I'll just eat the beef broccoli later. I believe I have a fork in the car. All right, but we'll improvise, see what we can do. Hot and sour soup, definitely. Drink on that. So, thank you, DoorDash. So one thing is, I like hot food, but if it's too hot, I can't enjoy it. It burnt my mouth. So. Wow, perfect. Good flavor. It's very peppery. I like pepper. But like I said, DoorDash, no utensils, is all good. I'm still eating. That's hot stuff. But alright, check you out. Watch that, watch all that slime.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy. Loving it, loving it. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day. It's, pier is empty. No one's fishing here but us. It's really cold and windy. To the point where, I mean, we still got bait, but man, it's just too cold. So, Omega 5 Fisher signing off. Thank you for watching the video today. I didn't catch nothing. Ken got one, but I didn't get it on film. But, you know, sometimes that's how